Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window. Simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search bar and type here troubleshoot settings and click here to open it. Now just scroll down and click on other troubleshooters, then click on internet connections and it will try to reset your internet connection. Now close this. Let's move to the next step. Again go to search bar and type in cmd, run it as with administrator. Now these commands are really important. To avoid mistakes, just copy all commands from the description below and paste it on command prompt and hit enter to execute them. Here we go. Once done, close this command prompt. Again go to the next step, go to search bar and type settings, click here to open it, then go to network and internet. On the right side just scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Again scroll down, click on network reset and just simply click on reset now. It will take some time to complete this process. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.